The Garrett Vortex is a great all-purpose, multi-use machine, submersible to 16 feet, lots of different opportunities for coin hunting and relic hunting. But, it also has the potential to be a prospecting machine. If you're out here, like today, we're in California hunting some of the mountains, you have many options. With the VX9, it even goes up to 25 kilohertz on a high single frequency, which is good for lower conductors like gold.
I've definitely had a chance to use the Vortex for a while now, and I've been very impressed with the engine that's in this machine. It's very high power, and I absolutely know I can find gold with the thing. The thing about multi-frequency is you've got excellent ferrous, non-ferrous discrimination and mineralized ground handling capability here that I think is going to be very good in the gold fields. Maybe not the tiniest gold, but the gold that counts, that puts weight in your pocket.
It is recommended to use zero mode for prospecting with no iron discrimination, or only as little as needed. Ground balance your Vortex is necessary to overcome mineralization challenges. In neutral to mild soils, operation in 25 kilohertz can produce sub-gram size gold. In more mineralized prospecting terrain, use of multi-frequency is recommended. Use of an optional smaller size Vortex search coil is also recommended for enhanced detection of small gold. It is important to note that some prospecting areas will include soil so heavily mineralized that you may need to use a pulse induction detector. But in many areas, such as this gold claim in the mountains of California, the Vortex has enough performance to serve as a great multi-purpose detector. Vortex is the perfect multi-frequency, multi-purpose detector for relic hunting, coin hunting, shallow diving, searching saltwater beaches, and sometimes even for finding gold nuggets, like this one.
Today was the first day I've ran this Vortex. It's a multi-frequency detector, 100% waterproof. It has a little bit of gold hunting capability. It's not going to run like the Garrett 24K on the tiny gold, but it'll hit a little bit bigger gold. And first day out, and I struck a piece. The happy numbers that I'm seeing so far are in the 40s. And there is my first Vortex piece of gold. A specimen. So, first day scoring with the Vortex. I've just been told that on my first day using the Vortex, I am the first person to score gold in the world with the Garrett Vortex. This beautiful little 3-4 gram specimen. Ah!